In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to shell in Fusion 360. Shelling is a quick way to hollow out a solid model, leaving a consistent wall thickness. It's perfect for turning solid parts into lightweight enclosures, casings, or printable parts that use less material. Start by opening your model in Fusion 360. Make sure you're in the design workspace and that you're working with a solid body. If your model is a surface or has gaps, Shell won't be able to calculate properly. It also helps to give your design a quick look for tiny features or very thin areas, since extreme geometry can cause errors with thicker shells. Next, head to the toolbar at the top and choose Modify, then select Shell. This opens the Shell dialog and activates the tool. You'll notice the interface prompts you to choose faces or bodies. Think about the end result you want. Are you creating a hollow part with an opening or a closed shell that hollows the interior? If you want an opening, click the face or faces you'd like to remove. Fusion 360 will treat those as openings and shell the rest of the part away from there. If you want the part to be hollow but remain closed from the outside, simply skip selecting faces. The tool will hollow the interior while leaving the outer surfaces intact. As you make selections, keep an eye on the preview to confirm you're removing the right areas. Now enter the wall thickness. Use a value that matches your design intent and manufacturing method. For 3D printing, for example, you might start with a few millimeters. For machined or molded parts, thickness depends on material and strength requirements. The shell dialog lets you control which side the thickness is applied to. Inside thickness preserves the outer dimensions. Outside thickness grows the part outward, and both sides splits the difference. If the preview turns red or you get a failure, the thickness may be too large for tight corners or small features. Try a smaller value until the preview looks clean. When you're happy with the preview, click OK to apply. Orbit around the model and inspect edges, openings, and internal transitions to ensure the result matches your intent. If you need to change anything, you can always edit the shell feature in your timeline and adjust the thickness or face selections. That's all there is to it. Simple, predictable, and very powerful for lightweight, manufacturable designs.